Hey, everybody. The question everybody's asking me are these 7% rates affecting the market? So I'm Stacy Esser, and this is your monthly market update for Eastern Bergen County. And so what I have on the screen is just essentially a pretty quick snapshot of what's going on with the towns that we focus on: Tenafly, Cresskill, Demarest, Haworth, Closter. And what you can see is, though, even though we have these 7% rates, we are still very low on supply, and median estimated value is still rising. Like you can see in Tenafly, up 8.5%, Cresskill 10%, Demarest 13% year over year. That's what's expected. We're bucking the trend nationally. So if you're listening to the national news about what's going on, I would definitely tell you to focus on what's happening specifically in your town. I'm going to jump into just Tenafly for a minute, but before I do, I also just want to keep you guys focused on this month's supply number. So the month supply is going to be the best way for us to keep tabs on whether this market is shifting or not, because if we see the month of supply going up, it's kind of already telling us that we just don't have as much demand to keep up with inventory. So anything about 4 months or under is going to be considered more of a seller's market. So you could see Cresskill kind of hovering right now, but that could change quickly also, because like I said, what happens in the spring is people might come in and start taking on more product. Maybe there's a little bit of a wait and see to see if more of the right inventory or the right priced inventory is going to come up. So we're going to be in a wait and see for Cresskill, but for all the other towns, we're definitely still in a super, super, super competitive market, more demand than we do have supply. So let's take a minute and let's hop into Tenafly. Okay, so now we're in Tenafly, and these are just some more sort of granular details of what's going on in Tenafly. You can see that it's showing us we're in a super strong seller's market, 1.27 months of inventory, which is slightly higher than last month. But again, don't pay attention to what percentages are higher or lower. Just focus on like the total number. Are we less than 4%, 4 months of supply? That means we're still in a strong seller's market. The list to sales price is hovering around 99.5, which means things are selling very close to their ask price. But the median sales price keeps going up, and the median days that a house is on the market is going down. So these are all strong indications of a lot of demand with not a lot of inventory. We are just getting into like what will be the seasonal rise of inventory. And that starts to happen in the third week of February. Like just like clockwork, you'll start to see more inventory come up, and it'll peak somewhere around May. So I guess we'll have to wait and see if demand will keep pace with where the inventory is actually coming. So we have 11 homes that came to the market in January. Again, it's okay because we're still, months of supply wise, we're still really, really low. And we're going to see if we keep having new homes and we don't have enough pendings, then pendings being under contracts, we know we're headed in the wrong directions. But again, you can see here, pendings is that our pendings are still up every month. So anyway, it's a very interesting market for us to keep a watch on. It's also really interesting because we continue to sort of buck the trend of what's going on nationally. And so Tenafly, you guys are definitely rock stars. The sellers are still in control. We have some amazing properties coming to market, and we are offering some sort of off-market sneak peeks at some of our homes. So if you are a homeowner and you're looking to upgrade or downsize, whatever it may be, you definitely should reach out, contact us so we can tell you what our coming soons are. And this way you guys get a head start. So very exciting time to be in the market. I'm Stacy with the Stacy Esser Group. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope this was helpful. Again, if you want any information about your house or about exclusive homes we have coming to market, just reach out. I'm happy to share. Thanks. Bye-bye.